10 years ago, I visited a place in Novosibirsk named Akademgorodok, and I instantly fell in love with it. It was the season of fall, and autumn was at its peak. I've been dreaming to witness it again since that time. But finally, 10 years later, my dream has come true. I am back to grasp it and live it once again. I think the Creator is at its creative best in the season of fall. Colors blending together to paint a picture that looks so profound. They may be fading, but the picture they create is vivid. This beautiful union of colors demonstrates the beauty of togetherness and diversity. I have always believed what makes this world a beautiful place is its diversity. Let's respect each other for who we are and create a beautiful and colorful world, just like how nature creates in the season of fall. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.